Guys, welcome back to another video. Come with me to get my dream seats. I hope they are full leather pole positions. I'm super excited to show you guys, and I'm honestly just super excited to throw these in the E46, but we're going to be taking the G82, and I'm going to kind of document the way up there. Let's go. It is so early, it's still dark outside. The sun hasn't even fully rose yet, but I kind of want to take a moment to appreciate the interior of the G82. They're just they're so nice inside. It's insane, but not as good as the E46 personally, but yeah. All right, guys, it's only an hour and 39 minutes, so that's not too bad coming from San Diego, going up to LA, and there's like basically no traffic, so the drive should be pretty chill, and let's just hope these seats are good. See ya. That's a cool shot.
Yeah, I've been around. It's filming.
All right, guys, we had to stop at Starbucks, of course. I got this like iced oat milk drink, so we're about to see if it's gas or ass. So let's see. It's gas. All right, guys, the package has been secured. They somehow fit inside the M4. It was really dumb taking this car, to be honest, but we got super lucky. But take a look at these seats. All leather pole positions. They're kind of hard to see, but I'm so excited. Like, it's got the side protectors too, but wow. Like, I'll show you guys when I'm back home, like when they're out of the car, but I was kind of stressed about the purchase, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. But yep. Guys, we made it back from LA. We have got the pole positions in there, and it's time for the reveal. Let me show you guys right now. All right, guys, here are the seats. They're so light, like it's insane. These are full leather, embroidered Recaro, so it's not like printed up top, but these are so sick. And it came with the little side bolstering protection, but these seats are so light, it's insane, and I'm super stoked. So let's bring them up to the E46 and do a little guys, sat them on top of the E46. I'm so stoked right now. Like, these are like actually my dream seats. Like, came with the side bolstering, like I said, like stitched Recaro too, because you really got to look out for getting used Recaros, because a lot of the time if you have like keys in your pocket, it'll wear down the sides. But I'm lucky enough to these seats are like almost mint condition. Like, they're my actual dream seats. I can't say it enough. Like, they're so sick. And you know, I'm gonna be a little bit sad getting rid of the OEM cinnamon seats, but honestly, I got some good plans coming with these though. All right, guys, this is my first time doing this, but overall it wasn't too bad of a process. But got it mounted up to the PCI brackets and the side mounts. And I don't know if I mentioned, but the base plate also came with side mounts from PCI, and honestly, it was just a pretty easy install overall, but this thing looks badass, guys. It's gonna be insane. It came with these little brand things, so we're gonna be screwing these on, and then yeah, overall, this makes the seat look badass as hell, and I'm super stoked and excited to put these in the car, but this is the first seat so far. All right, guys, just mocked it up. This isn't the final install because I still have to do the carpet. I'm gonna be making the carpet black, so I got some dupla color for that, and I still gotta start the cleaning process, but this is a little mock-up. It is insane. Like, I just sat inside of it, and I'm probably, I would say 6 inches lower than stock. Like, I am sitting on the floor because obviously this setup does not have any sliders. So it's definitely gonna be a lot lower than if it did have sliders, but so far this is turning out pretty awesome. It looks pretty sick in there compared to the stock seat. So I'll get back to you guys when I start the carpet. See ya. All right, guys, we're doing a little test fit. Threw it in. It's like 10:30, so I'm sound kind of tired, but these are the seats. They look super good, but I sit really far back, so I'm gonna have to adjust those and slide them forward a little bit for a better seating position. So it's gonna be kind of like trial and error, like adjusting it, throwing it back in, sitting it, adjusting it. So it's trial and error, but overall these seats look like super good, and I'm super stoked with how they turned out. And I'll get to you guys when I'm done with a perfect seating position, and it should be all wrapped up. All right, guys, the seats are fully dialed now. I got my seating position dialed in on the driver's side, and then I kind of just threw it together on the passenger side, but maybe I'll add a slider here just so I could access the back seat again. But overall, these seats look amazing. I just took it on a little canyon drive, and it is night and day difference. Like, I just don't squirm around anymore, and it just, these seats just look awesome too. I mean, come on now. But the interior is fully dialed now. And then big shout out to PCI. They hooked it up. So if you guys ever need brackets or anything like that, definitely go to PCI. I highly recommend them. They're super cool. And yeah. All right, guys, if you made it this far into the video, I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'm going to get some more videos out to you hopefully by next week.